Hello, dear students. Thank you for joining me. Are you ready to learn something new? Let's get started. Today we will be learning the oo sound. Oo, oo. Let's learn how to write this. Start to the top and all the way round. Start to the top and all the way round. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's see some examples. Bamboo. B-a-m-b-oo. Bamboo. Book. B-oo-k. Book. Boot. B-oot. Boot. Roof. R-oof. Roof. Hook. H-ook. Hook. Food. F-ood. Food. Ooh, I'm very hungry. So I'm going to take my food. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.